Why has Iran paused peace negotiations amid the supreme leader's coffin display? The answer reveals deep political symbolism and strategic shifts you won't expect. In Iran, the display of the supreme leader's coffin is more than a funeral rite. It signals a sacred mourning period deeply embedded in the country's culture and politics. During this time, public focus shifts from political negotiations to respect and reflection. This pause in peace talks is deliberate, as engaging in diplomacy amid such a moment could be seen as disrespectful or politically insensitive, potentially weakening Iran's internal unity. Beyond tradition, the coffin display serves as a powerful internal political message. Iran's leadership uses this moment to showcase national resilience and consolidate power. Pausing peace negotiations underscores that Iran will not rush decisions under pressure, signaling to opponents that the country is united and firm on its terms. This strategic timing helps Iran strengthen its negotiating position. On the diplomatic front, Iran's decision to pause talks during the coffin display introduces uncertainty. Negotiators must wait, reassess, and respect Iran's cultural timing. This recalibration can delay peace progress, but also gives Iran leverage to set conditions on its own schedule. It's a reminder that diplomacy often intertwines with culture and politics in complex ways. Iran's pause in peace negotiations amid the supreme leader's coffin display blends deep cultural respect with savvy political strategy. This moment isn't just about mourning, it's about projecting strength and controlling the diplomatic agenda. Understanding this helps you see how culture and politics shape global events. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.